I was almost done with the short course for Envato Elements AI tools, and then they changed the video tool, so this is an updated video for this tool. While the other AI tools you get with your Envato Elements subscription are unlimited, VideoGen is limited. You get 15 generations per month. Let's see what it can do. To get there, you need to log in to your Envato Elements account. If you don't have one, you can click the link in the description to get one. Click the top left menu to open the AI Gen tools and choose Video. All of Envato's AI tools are very simple to use, and this one is the same. The tool is still in beta, so this might change in the future. The main change is that they added the option to upload an image and removed the quality options, which I actually think is a good thing because it was confusing. The tool can start with an image, but you can also write a prompt to create one without an image. I tested 3 different videos. In the first video, I uploaded an image of my daughter and just asked it to make it live. You can choose to make it horizontal or vertical. I just kept it that way, and it took about 2 minutes to make the video ready. What do you think about it? The generating time was very quick, like all the other AI tools from Envato. For the next video, I asked it to make a cartoon video of kids in the park and clicked the button to expand the prompt. I didn't read it, but you can fix it if something is not what you were looking for. In another video I made before, it didn't let me write kids in the prompt, but this time it did. This is the video it created. I think this one needs more work. The kids jump too high, and it doesn't look so good, but I'm sure that if you play with it a bit, it can be fixed. After it finished generating the video, I got to see it and could go to the library or back to the generation tool. If you click the generation tool, it remembers the prompt you gave it. The last video I created was in vertical format, and again, I didn't start with an image. I wanted to see how real it can be, so I asked it to show a mother cooking dinner. This is the video. I think this one is very good. Another way to create a video with the video tool is by using the image edit tool. It's also in the AI menu. You start with an image. You can upload one, generate one, or use an image from Envato Elements photo stock by clicking the magic wand. After you click the magic wand or use another image, you can use any of the tools in the image edit tool, crop it, change elements in it, generate a new image based on this one, whatever you like. After you change the image or just keep it as it is if you got it from the Envato stock photo, you click Generate Video. You can write a prompt to help it, just like in the VideoGen tool, and it will generate the video. To get to the history of all the videos you generated, you can click History under the VideoGen option in the menu. Here you can see all the videos you've generated. The last one you generated is the first in the list. On each video, you have a download button. And basically that's it. Very, very simple tool. If you'd like to see how to use the image edit tool, you can watch this video next. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.